Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to my new series on how to make Zodiac rings. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. So what you're going to need for this project is a ring cone, your jewelry pliers, and for this one I'm going to use 20 gauge a copper wire that I bought at Michael's, but you can use a slightly thicker gauge, 18 gauge, if your wire is kind of soft, you want it to be sturdy enough. So now I'm going to do the Sagittarius ring. That's actually my zodiac sign. So we're going to go ahead and we want to get that little arrow thing going there. So what we're going to do is just start about maybe a third of the way up or something, quarter of the way up, and then we want to have enough for the arrow and to go around half of the ring, half of the fingers. So we're going to bend this back and just start by making our arrow. So to make the arrow, this gets bent to the front. We did the arrow when we did the Scorpio design. So we're going to bend this, and be sure to watch all the videos in this series in case you missed any little fine details, and to get, if I gave any tips in the other videos about materials and stuff, sometimes I forget what I've already said. And don't ever hesitate to comment below if you have any questions. And also you can join our Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, to share your designs. If you make any of these rings, that would be awesome. So this is sort of the beginnings of the arrow, and then what you want to do next is we want to kind of bend this, depending on how long you want your arrow to be, bend this one to the back, okay, and that's going to be the end of your arrow, okay, and then we're going to just bend that. We bend this kind of back like that, that's going to actually form the ring band right there. And then this one, you want to bring this down like that, okay? So we've got our arrow going, the wires going to the back, but we also want to make this kind of little cross line there. So we're just going to bend this to the side, okay, just above where we bent that wire to go around the ring, around the finger, and then we want to bend this around to the front. So we're just forming a kind of crossbar to our zodiac sign, and then so it just kind of looks like that. It's basically an arrow with a little line through it, and then this one we're going to bend the opposite way, because how the arrow sits, it sits on a bit of an angle. So you'll see if we bend one wire one way and then one wire the other way, it's going to sit nicely on an angle. So there we go, like that. And then we're going to stick it on the ring form, whatever size that you are. Just if your cone has sizings on it, just go by that. If your cone doesn't have a size, just try it on your finger first, hold it in place, and put it back on the cone in the right position. So hold it in place. This one I'm actually going to make not adjustable. So what you want to do is center back, bend this up at a right angle, and then we're going to pull this end around like that, and that one like that. So it's already fixed to one size, and then we can go ahead and clip the ends, and you don't want to clip them too short or too long, because you really want to clip the end so it just sits nicely, just flush in there, and then that way, and push it in a bit if you have to, and that way it's not sharp, you have no little pokey ends, it won't get caught on any of your stuff. Especially now it's the winter here, you want to get stuck on your gloves and stuff. So there we go with our little Sagittarius ring. So this one is not adjustable, and then this one I did in a way I just formed two little loops instead of connecting them to make it adjustable. So thank Thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art creations, be sure to join my Facebook group, the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club, where we share photos of our work and get inspired by members of the group. And if you'd like to check out our Etsy shop, we make all kinds of custom wire art and jewelry on Etsy. And also, if you'd like to learn more about wire art and jewelry making, I have an online course where I teach all kinds of cool techniques, including how to make your own templates, how to make flattened bookmarks, and how to make really cool spiral beads. Thanks for watching.